Welcome you all in the course of Professional English. Today we will discuss about how to write agenda and minutes of meeting. So first we will start with meeting. Meetings are the most common used form of platform for discussion in modern organization. The meetings takes place with a pre-decided purpose involving people to communicate under the control or the authority of someone. Basically, meetings are the get together of a group to discuss ways and to deal with a specific time bound task assigned. Now, in the meeting, the members of the group share common experience, issues, concern, and interest. Basically, meetings are the common channel for oral communication among the different members of meeting, and the most important part in the meeting is that it is supported by written communication like notice to bring people together, agenda to structure the meeting, minutes to record the proceedings, and the report to pass the information to higher authorities. So, if as you can see that in the last line it is mentioned that they are supported by notice, agenda, minutes of the meeting, and report. So here in this lecture we are going to study the agenda and minutes to record the proceedings one by one. The first in this is agenda. Basically, what agenda is an official list of activities which is made in order to taken up the discussion in a particular meeting. Basically, it is an official list of activities to be taken up. The agenda is an outline of what the meeting will address. Now, agenda should be distributed to attendees a day or 2 days before the meeting, and if anyone is going to make a presentation or is going to give a presentation and meeting, it should be distributed in advance. So basically what agenda is, it is a list of activities which should be distributed to all the members who are going to attend the meeting in advance, so that he or she may be prepared accordingly. If someone has to prepare presentation or report, he will prepare that in advance and will come with that in the meeting, so that no time will be wasted and the best of the meeting will come as an output. Now, basically, the agenda is the list of attendees, the meeting, time and place, and the topics you plan to discuss. The agenda has the list of attendees, the time at which meeting is going to be start, the venue, and the topic which we are going to discuss in our meeting. The next in the agenda is the contents of agenda. Then we came to know that what agenda is. Now it's time to know what we should we write in content. What should we write to make agenda more purposeful? The first one in this is the starting time of meeting. We should mention the time at which the meeting is going to be start. Similarly, we have to mention the end time of meeting so that person will manage his or her time accordingly. The most important part in this is the location, the venue at which the meeting is going to be held. Next point, the matters to be discussed. The matters which we are going to discuss in the meeting should be mentioned in that prior, so that everyone is prepared accordingly. We should indicate the each time to each matters in which it is expected to last, so that everyone should know that this part is completed in this slab of time. And the last is it indicates which meeting participants are expected to be the main topic participants. So this is all about contents of agenda. Next, the characteristic of good agenda. A meeting agenda should be short, simple, and clear. It should be informative and practical. It should have the date, time, and location of the meeting. It should state which issues will be discussed and in what order. It should be the outline for the meeting minutes, and it helps us in predicting the result of the meeting. So basically the characteristic of good agenda is it should be very small, so that nobody is going to waste his or her time in reading that. It should be very very practical. The date, time and the location should be highlighted, and all the issues which will be going to be discussed in meeting will be stated clearly with their minutes respectively. The next is in this is, as we had just discussed, that the meeting is supported by the notice, agenda and a minute of meeting. So here we have mentioned the sample for notice of meeting, as you already know how to write the notice, but just for the sample purpose I had mentioned this here. This sample shows that in the center we have mentioned the organization name with full address, then notice, then date, and you can see that this notice is very very small. It is hardly of 2 lines, including the timing at which meeting is going to be started, the space and the date, and along this the agenda is herewith attached. Now we'll see how agenda is written. This is again the sample for agenda of meeting. As you can see that the organization name is mentioned at the center, and the next we had written agenda for the second board meeting. This is some board meeting of Beta and company, and this is the second board meeting. That's why we mentioned the name agenda for the second board meeting. As the contents which we just discussed here, as you can see again, starting time, ending time, meeting location, matters indicate time, or we can say minute to of meeting, and the meeting participants. This all is considered here, and on that basis this agenda is written. As you can see that on in the first point the timing is mentioned with date. The next is approval of minutes of previous meeting. If As we are talking here about the second board meeting, so we have to discuss the first ones or minutes of meeting also, so that we mentioned. The next is the treasurer report, management report and collection report by so and so person. This we have to priorly mention in our agenda, so that these people will prepare their reports in advance. The next is the issue which will be discussed in the meeting, and if there is something else except this business issue, as we have mentioned in the last one, that some skilled workers should be trained who have experience less than 1 year. So we have to mention all the things which we are going to discuss in our meeting. So this is what agenda is. It should be very small, clear, practical, as you can see that in this example. Now coming to the next part, that is minutes of meeting. Now, what are minutes of the meeting? Minutes of the meeting are very simply explained as an overview of structure of meeting, starting with a list of those present, a statement of the various issues before the participant and each of their responses. Or we can say that minutes are summarized record of discussion held and decision taken at a meeting. Minutes are also known as protocols. So basically, it is not possible for us to memorize everything whatever happened during the meeting. So we used to write them up, and if the meeting is informal, we again minute of the meeting work in that, and it should be the accurate written records of meeting. So, based on that, minute of the meeting are of two types. First is minutes of resolution, and the second is minutes of narration. So, minutes of resolution is nothing but it is only past resolutions are recorded, and before each paragraph resolved is written. As if some budget is resolved, then we used to mention like resolved that budget and etc. Next, the minutes of narration. It includes a fact relating to resolution and decision relating to them. Here we used to narrate those fact and those whatever decision which will be going, which were happened in the, which were discussed in the meeting. We have to mention that. So this is about types of minute. Now, the order for typing minutes is, now we came to know what is a minute, what are its type. Now, in what format we have to mention the minute of the meeting. First of all, we have to mention the heading with the name of group, date and time and place. Then the purpose statement for which meeting is occurred. Next, the persons who attended the meeting, then the special invitees, and if someone is absent and he or she has sent us apologies, we have to mention that also. This would be followed by the observer, reading of the last minutes, matters arising from the minutes, reports and general matters, any other business, date of next meeting and chairman's signature. So basically the order of this type of meeting or minute of the meeting will be better understand by an example, which is this is sample of minutes of the meeting. As you can just see that you can just study about the order of typing minute to minute. So accordingly we have mentioned, we have prepared this sample. Now in this, first of all, the name of the organization is written with its complete address, followed by the date and the timing. Next, the number of the participant who present in the meeting. This is followed by the number of participants who were absent. Next, special invitees. Next, as we just discussed that this is the second board meeting, so yes, we have to read the minute of meeting of the first one also. So the that we have to mention in that. Next, the report which is read by treasurer, management and collection. Next, the business issue, whatever be the issues of the company that they have to discuss. As you can see that here few examples are, or we can say that few business deals are discussed, so we have to mention that in detail. This is about all the things about all the business details. The in the last statement you can see that the meeting is adjourned at 7:30 p.m. This is the ending time of the meeting at which meeting is finished. This is followed by the authorized person signature. As here in this company, the authorized persons are chairperson and secretary. This minute of meeting should be signed by the authorized persons, right? So this is all about minutes of the meeting. I hope you understand how to write agenda and minutes of meeting. So this is all about this. So thank you.